Hey everyone, Big Chief here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be opening up 2022 Score Football Value Pack. But first, I'd like to show you guys 3 Buffalo Bills cards I picked up this past weekend. The first from 2021 Donruss Football, this Josh Allen card where he's wearing a mask. Second card is from 2021 Mosaic Football, another Josh Allen. And the third card is from 2020 Select Football. It's a Gabriel Davis rookie card. So got a great deal on these, so decided to pick them up. Very happy with it. So this 2022 Score Football 40 card value pack, we're looking for exclusive dots, gold and red parallels. So let's get into it. First card, we got a Jamal Williams. Terrace Marshall Jr. John Greenard. Deuce McAllister. James Robinson. Teddy Bridgewater. Vince Young. Mark Ingram. Dwight Freeney. Trent Williams. Jamal Charles. Sean Alexander. Justin Herbert. Tyler Boyd. Frank Clark. Chris Carson. Tony Pollard. Nelson Aguilar. Xavier McKinney. Zach Wilson. Logan Thomas. Deontay Johnson. Kingsley and Agbar, rookie card. Jake Ferguson, rookie card. Kyron Williams, rookie card. Romeo Dubes, rookie card. Roger McCreary, rookie card. Nice Malik Willis, rookie card. TJ Hawkinson. Chase Young. There's a Jamison Williams rookie card. There's a Matt Judon sack attack. Celebration. DK Metcalf. There's a Matt Corral rookie card. Potential rookie card of Jalen Weidermeyer. We got a Colts huddle up. Michael Strahan, sack attack. Cleveland Browns huddle up. Drake London, potential rookie card. I got a Devonta Smith celebration. We have a first ballot, John Elway. Isaiah Spiller, potential rookie card. And the last card is a sack attack of DeMarcus Ware. So, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite card was. And this is Big Chief out. Peace.